Namaste, and a very warm greetings to esteemed judges and everyone watching. My name is Ujjwal Saini, and on behalf of Team Ignite India, I'm incredibly excited to present a solution for the Smart India Hackathon 2025. We are addressing the problem statement SIH 25130, titled Student Innovation Swadeshi for Atmanirbhar Bharat, under the vital theme of heritage and culture. Our challenge is to leverage technology to promote the rich cultural legacy of India. Our answer to this challenge is a project that we believe will redefine how the world sees and interacts with our nation's culture. Our vision is to build a platform that strengthens the spirit of a self reliant India by making our heritage a global benchmark. We present to you Bharat Darshan, an all in one web application designed not just to show but to let you experience the true essence of India. So, what is Bharat Darshan? It's a living, breathing digital encyclopedia of our culture. Let me walk you through its core features. The interactive cultural showcase. This is the heart of our platform. User can explore India's vast history, arts, music, food, and festival through stunning multimedia galleries filled with images, videos, folklores. Next, imagine having a personal guide 24/7. A AI-powered chatbot acts as a cultural expert, ready to answer any query about traditions, history, or even give you travel tips in a truly Indian context. We are bringing history to life with augmented reality. Imagine pointing your phone's camera at Qutub Minar and instantly seeing historical insights and 3D models pop up on your screen. That's the immersive experience we'll provide. To make exploration intuitive, we have an interactive map of India. Users can visually explore our nation's diversity, clicking on any state to find details on its monuments, unique food, vibrant festivals, and language. The journey is personal. A smart recommendation system will act as your personal travel planner, suggesting the best times to visit specific states, creating personalized cultural itineraries just for you. And this platform is for everyone, everywhere. Our global accessibility tools, including a currency converter and multilingual language support, ensure that anyone in the world can explore India without barriers. Finally, and most importantly, Bharat Darshan is built by the community for the community. A contribution feature will allow users to upload their own photos, say regional folklores, and suggest corrections, ensuring our platform is ever growing and authentic. This entire vision is supported by a robust and scalable system architecture designed for a seamless user experience. Let me quickly break down its key layers for you. First, the client side application. This is the interactive front end that user experiences. It's designed to be responsive and engaging, whether you are on a desktop or mobile phone, and it's where all the requests begins. Second, a powerful backend server. At the core is a server running on technologies like Node.js. This is the brain of our operations. It processes all user requests, manages user authentication and coordination, all the different part of the platform. Third, a centralized database. This is our digital library. It securely stores all the rich cultural information, multimedia content, and user contributions, making the data easily accessible for the application. Finally, integrating with external APIs. To deliver cutting edge features, a system seamlessly integrates with specialized external services for our AI chatbot and augmented reality engine. This modular approach ensures each feature is powerful, scalable, and can be updated with the latest technology. To bring this to life, we are using a powerful modern tech stack. The front end will be built with React.js and Next.js for a blazing fast user experience. The backend will be powered by Node.js, Express, and Supabase, ensuring reliability and scalability. Our cutting edge features will be driven by leading AI services like Google Gemini LLM and AR libraries like AR.js and 3.js. This technical foundation ensures that Bharat Darshan is not just a concept but a robust world class application. A great idea must also be practical. Let's discuss why Bharat Darshan is not just innovative but also highly feasible. Our architecture is scalable. Using proven technologies like Node.js and cloud services, the timing is perfect, as there is a growing global demand for digital tourism and cultural platform. However, we are also realistic about the challenges. Collecting and validating authentic historical data is a significant task. Ensuring the accuracy of multilingual translation is crucial for user trust. And AR performance can be an issue on older devices. But we have clear strategies to overcome these hurdles. We will collaborate with government bodies like the Archaeological Survey of India and Cultural Organization for verified data. We will use a hybrid model for translation, powerful AI APIs supported by community review for accuracy, and for performance, we will implement progressive loading and offer lightweight versions of the app for areas with poor connectivity. The market viability is undeniable. The travel and tourism sector's contribution to India's economy was approximately 21 billion in 2024, surpassing pre-pandemic levels. With domestic tourism booming and international spending hitting records high, Bharat Darshan is perfect position to capture a significant share of this growing digital tourism market. The impact of Bharat Darshan will be felt across every section of society. Socially, it promotes immense cultural awareness and national pride. It acts as a global bridge, showcasing India's true diversity to the world. Economically, it is direct boost to tourism by promoting lesser known destinations and local crafts. We will increase revenue and support local employment. It also opens doors for partnership with tourism brands. Educationally, this platform will be an invaluable resource for students and researchers, providing authentic knowledge in an interactive format through AR and AI guides. And technologically, Bharat Darshan positioned India as a global innovator in digital heritage preservation, integrating the best use of AI and AR for seamless user experience and enhance education nationwide. In summary, our project will directly boost tourism revenue, strengthen India's global image as a tech savvy and cultural rich nation, digitally preserve our heritage for future generations. This entire proposal is built upon a foundation of extensive research. We have analyzed the work of premier Indian institutions to ensure our data and approach are credible. We have reviewed resources from the Archaeological Survey of India for information on our most visited monuments. We have studied open online resources like Sahapedia to understand how to represent our performing arts and folk traditions. For visual heritage, we will draw inspiration from digital repositories like Kala Sampada by IGNCA, which houses manuscripts, photographs, audio visual material. Furthermore, we will leverage the knowledge base provided by the Ministry of Culture, including research papers and archives. This groundwork ensures that Bharat Darshan will be a platform built on authenticity, credibility, and a deep respect for the organizations already working to preserve our culture. To conclude, Bharat Darshan is more than just a web application. It's a moment to digitally safeguard the soul of our nation. It's an invitation to every Indian and to the world to explore, learn, and connect with the timeless heritage of India. A platform will not only preserve the stories of our past, but will also inspire the innovation of our future, aligning perfectly with the vision of a truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. We have the vision, the technical expertise, and the passion to make this a reality. Thank you for your time and consideration. We are Team Ignite India, and we are ready to build the future of Indian cultural heritage. Thank you.
Hello. So this is our website. It is based on the problem in SIH, and the problem statement is 25130, and the theme of the problem is culture and heritage of the India. So me and my teammates actually created a web platform where we are trying to give the information about the Indian culture and heritage in more interactive way, so everyone get the information very easily from this website. we are actually putting the lots of things inside this websites, like lots of options we actually giving in this websites, like food, festivals, monuments, and history. I will give you the details information one by one, how they actually work. There is a food option. If you click on this food button, it will redirect you to a web page that is based on the fully food. We actually categorizing the food state wise here. You will get the information about a particular important food state wise. Like if someone wants to see what's the famous in the Tamil Nadu, this is a very common food like dosa and sambar in the Tamil Nadu. If someone wants to see about the West Bengal famous food, that there is a fish curry and rice, and they will give the detailed information about the fish curry and rice with clicking on this website, this button. So lots of Indian cuisines and foods actually we adding inside this web page, and also categorizing in the form of states. So easily everyone gets the information about this web page. So there is also the option of the festival. If you're clicking on the festival option, like we know that India have a very rich culture and lots of different peoples are living inside of India, that they are belong from the different religion, different caste, and different regions also. So lots of different festivals we have. So it is very challenging task to adding each and every festival, but we are trying our best. And as possible as we are submitting, we actually giving the information about the particular festivals in India, like for Diwali. Suppose there is a Diwali, that is festival of the lights. Holi, that is the festival of the colors. So lots of festivals informations we actually introducing in our web page, this web page, and also we are categorizing the state-wise festivals. Also, there like for Kerala, there is a Onam is very famous, and regional festivals is also there. So everyone gets the information very easily and in very interactive way with this festival web page. Now come to the part of the history button. So this option, this button is very important for the teachers and the childrens. If not only for the teachers and childrens, if anyone actually wants to know about the Indian history, then they will get the easy information about the Indian history. Simply click on this history page, and that guy is redirected to this history page, where we are actually trying to make the Indian history as make as easy as possible. Like we are actually putting all the information about the Indian history in the detail and timeline manner. Like first Indus Valley civilization was happening, then early Vedic period was happening, like that, and later Arctic period was happening, and then Maurya Empire was there, medieval period, pre-medieval period, Delhi Sultanate, Mughals was there, Marathas was there. Then how the British actually overtake our Indian economy and India's governments, how they actually, uh, how we get the independence, what is the role of the Mahatma Gandhi, everything actually we putting in this web pages. If someone wants the full information about the Indian history, they want to know about the Indian history, then simply they will come to this web page, and they will get the detailed information about the everything about the Indian history. Like that only, we are also substituting like buttons like clothes, languages, arts, and monuments. You can easily get the information about this. And some quotes is also there, facts is also there. Like chess originated here only. Zero was invented from India only. Yoga's birthplace and diamond work is also there. We also substituting this chatbot, chat with our guide. There is an option of the chat with our guide. If someone, you can simply click on this, and a chatbot is generated, and you will ask any question to this chat box that is based on the Indian culture and Indian heritage, and they will give you the answer in that manner only. You are not able to ask any type of the question, generalized question. You will only we are actually restrict this AI. They will give you only answer in the form of the Indian culture context. So we are actually using the LLM Grok in this AI chatbot. So this is the thing, and there is an option for the states. If you click on this states option, you are redirected to a web page where we actually putting the all the categorizing all the states in the form of the box. You can simply click on the any states and you will get the detailed information about the particular states, like their festivals, their clothing style, their cuisines, their arts, everything. You will get the detailed information. So this is a very nice thing in our website. Sorry. And in this fast world, everyone wants a quick information, fast information. So we also introduce Explore India option inside our website. If you click on this Explore India website, you will be directed to a web page. There is a India map was there, where all the states are actually differentiated itself from the another states because all they have the different colors. Suppose someone wants to get the information about the Maharashtra, they will simply get the information about the Maharashtra. If you click on the Maharashtra state, it will give you the quick information about the Maharashtra state, like what is the famous places for the visit, what's their historical significances, sorry, what's the cuisine, what's the festivals, what's their traditional dresses, and lots of quick information is also there in this web page. And also we are giving the information district wise. Some important districts is also there. So if you hover on this, you will see the images of particular important districts, and if you click on this particular district, you will redirect it to another web page where you get the detailed information of the particular districts also. So this is the very uh, interactive thing. This is actually interactive map, and one of the best thing in our website is this. Now come to the next part. There is an option for the login page, login option. If you click on this, if first time user was there, then they need to actually create an account and then login, sign in inside our website. Why the reason for this login page? Because of this suggestion box. What's the reason of the suggestion box? I will tell you then. So in this, India have a very rich culture, and they have very too much of the data. So there is a chances that we actually miss lots of data because it is not possible to cover each and every part of the India. But we are actually trying our best. So we actually introduced this option of suggestion box. So anyone actually want to suggest us some data, some information about any particular uh, monuments, then they can simply fill this form and send to us. Then me and our teams actually verify their data and cross check the every data, and then we actually update that thing in our website, the data in our website. So for this reason, there we actually introduce that signing page, so we can easily track the records of the particular person. So, and the last, there is a AR scan option is also there in our website. If you click on this AR option, a web page is generated where you will get the advantage of the scan monument option. Simply, if you click on the scan monument option, a camera is open and you need to scan the monuments. Suppose you want to get the information about the Taj Mahal that is in front of you. So you can simply open this web page and click on the scan monument option, and camera is open. Then you will scan the Taj Mahal and you will get the information like their histories and when they actually met and how they actually met. This type of the information you will get easily. How it is worked? We actually using JavaScript framework, that is a AR.js, and also we use actually backend like backend for Node.js, and MongoDB actually we use for the backend. Uh, Simply we actually putting all the data inside the MongoDB, and whenever we scan the monuments, we take the data from the MongoDB itself and projected in front of the screen on the overlay box. So this is the overview how actually this AR VR system is actually working. So this is one of the very crucial and important thing in our website also. So that is overall our website is. Thank you.